the Siberian tiger. Illegal hunting and destruction of its habitat have driven this tiger to the very brink of extinction. Now, fewer than 500 remain in the wild. Weighing nearly 200 kilograms, it's the largest of all the big cats. To keep warm, this male must eat 10 kilograms of meat a day. But in winter, any prey remaining here is all too easily alarmed. He must patrol his entire 700 square mile territory if he is to find enough to eat. His acute sense of smell tells him that wild pig were here. He's so hungry that he would tackle even a 150-kilo bear. But it left here months ago, leaving only a faint trace of its scent. In the autumn, black bears here escape the coming winter by hibernating inside caves. But that wouldn't stop a tiger from trying to catch one. Remote cameras reveal the bear's whereabouts. It retreated into the farthest recess months ago. The tiger is simply too big to reach it. But ready for every opportunity, this big cat is able to endure the long Siberian winter. And as long as this forest is kept free from poachers, these magnificent tigers have a good chance of surviving.